Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to replace a stubborn edger blade. Right now we got this brush on here, but I need an edger, so we're going to be replacing it. And I've been having some issues trying to take it off, so I'm going to show you guys how to take it off. So first, what you're going to want to do, if you don't have a pin that Echo supplies you with, that goes into this slot right there. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. They give you a little pin. We have lost ours, so I'm going to show you how to replace it without that pin. So what I have here is I just have a flathead screwdriver, and what we're going to do is we're going to shove it in here and make sure that they line up like that. That way it pretty much locks it. And then we're going to need to grab our 17mm ratchet, and then we'll take this off. So normally there's a little cotter pin that goes in between this bolt right here, but ours is not present, so we are just going to move forward. All right, so we got our screwdriver in that little notch. So now we're going to undo this. So just so you guys know, to loosen it, you need to go clockwise. So it's opposite of righty-tighty. And it's that easy. And it should come right off. And boom. We got this off. So now I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall the blade. So pretty self-explanatory. Shove it on. Last but not least, and remember to go counterclockwise to tighten it. Same concept. Make sure that you lock it. So I didn't lock it, so that you can tighten it. This is the best method that I've found if you have lost your pin. Okay, that's pretty tight. That's it. So last thing, if you were to have your cotter pin, you'd replace that right there. I don't, but that's how you would replace it. And that's it.